If you want to change your browser homepage in Windows 11 using Firefox, this tutorial will walk you through it step by step. Whether you want Google, your favorite news site, or a custom landing page, changing your homepage only takes a minute once you know where to look. And if this video helps, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Firefox on your Windows 11 computer. In the top right corner of the browser window, look for the three horizontal lines. This is the main menu button. Click it to open the drop-down menu. From that menu, select Settings. This will take you to the Firefox settings page, where you can control your browser behavior, privacy options, and homepage preferences. Once the settings page opens, look at the left-hand side and click Home. You may see it as a home icon or simply the Home tab. This section controls what appears when Firefox starts, as well as what shows up in new windows. Now scroll to the home page and new window section. Here, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click that menu and choose Custom URLs. This option allows you to manually set the website you want Firefox to open. After selecting Custom URLs, you should see an option that says Choose a specific site. Click into the box provided and type or paste the full website address you want to use as your homepage. For example, you could enter www.google.com, or you can use any website you prefer. Make sure the address is entered correctly, because even a small typo can stop the page from loading properly. If you copied the link from another source, it's always a good idea to double check it before moving on. Once you've entered your website, Firefox will save that setting automatically. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple Windows 11 and browser tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.